आहोत त्यामधलं कॉम्प्रिहेन्शनमधील पॅसेज आपण आज घेणार आहेत. तर पहा, पॅसेज जो आपण सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे आज व्हिडिओसाठी तर तो आपण घेऊयात आता. ठीक आहे. तर हाइट्स ऑफ अब्राहम आर क्लिफिस. These are one of the outstanding natural features of the city of Quebec in Canada and were the scene of a famous battle. Major General James Wolfe 1727 to 59 was only 32 years old when commanded by the British Prime Minister William Pitt to capture Quebec from the French during the Seven-Year War 1756 to 63. The capture of a city lying on the banks of the St. Lawrence River in eastern Canada would open the way for the overthrow of the French forces in North America. For 3 months in the summer of 1759, Wolfe attempted to overcome the French by frontal attack from across the river, but the defenders held an almost impregnable position. Wolfe decided to make an attack from the rear in the early dark hours of September 13. Okay. He held his army across the river above the town and surprised the French soldiers guarding the small cove which now bears his name. Then came the highly dangerous task of scaling the cliff, the heights of Abraham. By sunrise, Wolfe and his army of 4,000 had achieved their goal and were on the plains of Abraham, drawn up in battle array and ready to fight. Before Wolfe, Odysseus' plan had been carried to its successful conclusion. Both Wolfe and the great French commander Montcalm lay dying in the battlefield. Knowing that success was his, Wolfe whispered, "I die contented." On the other hand, when told that he was fatally wounded, Montcalm cried out, "Thank God, I shall not live to see the surrender of Quebec." हा पॅसेज झालेला आहे. ठीक आहे. तर यावरती जे काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते आपण पाहूयात. पहा, फर्स्ट, हाइट्स ऑफ अब्राहम आर an outstanding natural features of Quebec, cliffs scaled by Abraham, C, known for their French occupants, and D, not near St. Lawrence River. The answer आहे an outstanding natural features of Quebec. Second one question, capturing Quebec would, first option is be easy. Then second one is open the way for overthrowing the French forces. C, be difficult. आणि D, not be required. तर आता याच्यामधलं करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे बी, ओपन द वे फॉर ओव्हरथ्रोईंग द फ्रेंच फोर्सेस. त्यानंतर पहा थर्ड वन, फ्रंटल अटॅक मीन्स. तर फ्रंटल अटॅक मीन्स तर पहा त्यातले ऑप्शन काय आहेत. ए, बीइंग अटॅक फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. B, attacking the enemy from the front. C, attacking the front line. आणि D, attacking the frontier. तर त्यातलं पहा हे जे बी ऑप्शन आहे ते करेक्ट आहे, अटॅकिंग द एनिमी फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. ठीक आहे. तर अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला पॅसेज सोडवायचे, स्पीड इन्क्रीज करायची आणि कमी वेळेमध्ये जास्त पॅसेज वाचून तुम्हाला जास्तीत जास्त लक्षात कसं येईल आणि तुमचे जी वर्ड आहेत